My name is Heidi. Actually, my name is Wei Gong. In my company, people call me Heidi, just for convenience. I worked in Shanghai Henlius Biotech. It's a company focusing on therapeutic antibodies. My job is to do the process development of downstream. So we basically develop process and making scale-up tests and doing process optimization, and also finally the process characterization and validation. Yeah, that's my job. I think continuous manufacturing is and will be the impact the antibody manufacturing industry very much, no matter now or in the future. The PAT technology. So with this technology, we can make online sampling and online analysis, and also the instant feedback to the system. So with this PAT technology, I think it's the key part of the continuous manufacturing. It's the eyes of the process. I think one is the regulation. Since although there are more and more discussions between the biopharmaceutical companies and regulators, so there are new risks and there are new problems need to be answered. For example, in this new process, what's the risk, which is quite different from the previous conventional batch mode purification? What's the risks and how do you mitigate them? How do you deal with the deviation, which is quite different from the conventional batch mode deviations? And how do you do process validation? What's your new control strategy that can fit into the continuous manufacturing mode? In future, I think the default setting of antibody manufacturing will be continuous mode. And with this new type of manufacturing, we will be able to make the turnover time really short. Also, the changeover time between product will be very short. The utilization of a facility will be very high, and there will be less interruptions, and the cost of production will be kept low so that the drugs can be available to the global patients. Meanwhile, also the company will have enough profit margin.